Did you know you can make pap in just 90 seconds using the LG Neochef Microwave? Come along, let's do this together. Oh yeah!
Making pap the traditional way has been a huge struggle, and this method has been such a lifesaver. I can't wait for you guys to try it soon. You want to break down that pap in your bowl. Add your room temperature water. It's not cold, it's not warm, just regular water, and then mix that paste until it is smooth and there are no lumps in it. You want to add enough water that would get you the exact quantity of pap that you need, right? And then we're going to put that into our LG Neochef Microwave. Now this is just going to take 90 seconds, like I said. Now for the first 60 seconds, what you want to do is to allow that microwave, get that out, and then you're going to mix it together. Add a bit of water if you realize that it's too thick. Mix it together well and then pop it back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. I love my pap really thick, and guys, this was just the perfect consistency for me. As you may have noticed, this is your millet pap and it is so nutritious. Add your milk. And guys, this is what we have. Pap in 90 seconds.
If you love what you just watched and you think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community. See, you get a chance to try out this LG Neochef Microwave, and you see the link in my bio. Go and join today. And remember guys, life's good.